Hello friends, welcome to Mock Test channel. In this video, I have covered FPFF exit exam questions with answers. Towards the end, if you like our content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. Which dangerous condition should be kept in mind after using a 15-pound CO2 fire extinguisher on a small oil fire on the engine room floor plates? Options: A. Possible suffocation from CO2 gas. B. Forgetting to secure the engine room ventilation system. C. CO2 gas being drawn into nearby engine or air compressor intakes. D. Rekindling of the fire. The correct answer is option D. Rekindling of the fire. Which of the listed classes of fire is considered as one involving electrical equipment? Options: A class A, B class B, C class C and D class D. The correct answer is option C class C. Which of the following would be considered a class B fire? Options: A electrical fire in a motor, B waste rag fire in the engine room, C oil fire in the engine room bilges, D fire in the main switchboard. The correct answer is option C, oil fire in the engine room bilges. If ignited, which material would be a class B fire? Options: A magnesium, B paper, C wood and D diesel oil. The correct answer is option D, diesel oil. Which of the listed extinguishing agents is not suitable for fighting a liquid paint fire? Option A dry chemical, option B foam, C water, D CO2. The correct answer is option C water. Which extinguishing agent is most effective on a mattress fire? Options A CO2, B foam, C dry chemical and D water. The correct answer is option D water. Extinguishing agent most effective for combating wood fire is options A water, B CO2, C foam and D dry chemical. The correct answer is option A water. You are fighting a fire in a watertight compartment using hoses and river water. Stability may be reduced because of options A progressive down flooding, B reduction of water in the storage tanks, C increase in free surface which reduces the metacentric height, D reduction of kg to the minimum allowable. The correct answer is option C, increase in free surface which reduces the metacentric height. When used to fight fire, CO2, options A is effective if used promptly on an oil fire, B has a greater cooling effect than water, C is lighter than air, D is harmless to cargo and crew. The correct answer is option A is effective if used promptly on an oil fire. CO2 as a firefighting agent has which advantage over other agents? Options A. It causes minimal damage, B. It is safer for personnel, C. It is cheaper and D. It is most effective on a per unit basis. The correct answer is option A. It causes minimal damage. To prevent the spread of fire by convection, you should options A. Cool the bulkhead around the fire, B. Remove combustibles from direct exposure, C. Close all openings to the area, D. Shut off all electrical power. The correct answer is option C. Close all openings to the area. What is not a characteristic of CO2 fire extinguishing agents? Options A. Effective even if ventilation is not shut down, B. Will not deteriorate in storage, C. Non-corrosive and option D. Effective on electrical equipment. The correct answer is option A. Effective even if ventilation is not shut down. Foam extinguishes a fire by options A. Destroying the burning materials, B. Chemical reaction with the burning materials, C. Absorbing the burning material, and D. Smothering the burning material. The correct answer is option D. Smothering the burning material. Immediately after a close B fire has been extinguished by the use of foam, crewman should options A. Carefully apply a low velocity fog over the foam blanket, B. Wade through the foam blanket to evenly distribute the foam, C. Be careful not to disturb the foam blanket, and option D. Sweep the foam blanket overboard and secure firefighting equipment. The correct answer is option C. Be careful not to disturb the foam blanket. You should be most concerned about a possible explosion or fire in fuel tanks. Options A. During fueling, when the fuel first strikes the tank bottom, B. During the fueling, when the fuel strikes fuel already in the tank, option C. When underway as the fuel is moved by wave action, and D. Shortly after fueling when fuel vapors gather. The correct answer is option A. During fueling, when the fuel first strikes the tank bottom. Hope you found this video useful. I wish you all the best for your exam.